MeghalayaPost.news.
Halor ke Khlad ke Bakindit jong Dr. Ricky AJ Singhorn, Member of Parliament MP Shalok Sabha, jong ke Voice of the People Party VPP na Shillong Parliamentary Scene bat kabala penlingo shibun yakipai ba namar baki klempoi perkhat ya ke Khlad Bakindit Dr. Ricky AJ Singhorn u konrad ke sangma kum menteri rangba lembat ba prestun tensong sembut menteri rangba omtang baki lapoi marmar Dr. H Gordon Robert Hospital na ke bentaban lek Sngewlem Henry kum ki hedu ha ke Sorkar jela kila paru ya Phah Khubor Sngewlem halor ke jingduno yo Dr. Ricky AJ Singhorn ubadi wena kinong yalam hapo kajala haba crunch kilat Phah Khubor konrad ke sangma lembot ba prestun tensong kila ong baka jingklat ka bakindit jong Dr. Ricky AJ Singhorn kade jingdu nong ka bakraw ya kajala hiboro kawai namarudi ubri ubas ngawrin ubatrei hok lakakam bat ubayo jingi na boro kipai ba ha kajala halor kani ka jingklat ka bakindit jong Dr. Ricky AJ Singhorn la syai kasngi ngin saya keren bat lamprang ka Sorkar jela na ka mentaban Sangeh Shwa ya kani ka Dorbar Mang Tyngka kata ka balongkum kadak ban penpau ya ka jing Sngewlem halor ka jingklat Dr. Ricky AJ Singhorn ong konrad ke sangma
nakaliam jong nga mangwi nakaliam jong ka Sorkar ibroi padakliam jong ki leaders hapo ka jela Meghalaya kalong kai ka pangut ka balong kendit adu kata ya ka jingklat kan sanno i Dr. Ricky Singhorn WMP badon long jongka shillong constituency dengan soba ia dan bentalang mentakabit nadu chief minister jongi pad mami bro iba sobahan ki MLAs jongi paro ki MDCs ki bidan lak paro ba ibu ya kini ke jingji ke pasnosi ki bangi ki beri umma ban dia tang hape jing punya putih pada jerong ukam tipa barang net scam lu bakal gede kaplan ke jombo pada jerong de ipa ia ke jing Sngewlem sya ipara jong iparo ipayin ke pasem jong ipa Singhorn paro bata ni kremen scam ni tuai hoblei unai ia ke jing jathai yau syakri jong bat kumju ai ka jik tengen ya ki bayin ka pasel bro dia ka biate bat ka session ka bini don la syai ka ski ko mai CM la ka kai ka BSc kan syong la syai ka ski bat nakaliang jong ka Sorkar lamba jong chief minister jongi ila pha ya ka jing Sngeu ba lakum la syai ka ski idei ban ajon ya kan ka house ka jongi la syai tin le ya kata ngin sale la syai ka ski hagaba ni hamru ya kaban don ka abiswi reference kajing ai buram khadu ya uni uno yalam jong ka jela Meghalaya jongi bat ya kene minsa petip sepi la syai kasni hadin ba ka BSc ka syok hapo ka office jong speaker beton buram jongi
a very shocking moment for I think all the citizens of the state. I had met late Dr. Ricky Singhorn about 2 weeks back in Delhi. I still remember the conversation we had. He had come to my residence and we had spoken about the different plans he had for the state, different institutes he wanted to bring up, different development schemes that he wanted to bring to Meghalaya. And for almost about 30 minutes to 45 minutes we discussed about the overall future of our state without going into politics. And that was the last meeting and conversation I had with Dr. Ricky Singhorn. And right after that, about 2 weeks back, then today in the evening, while I was preparing for the budget, which I was supposed to be presenting tomorrow, I was preparing for the budget and I got the news that there was a small incident where late Dr. Singhorn had collapsed while playing football. And I was not sure how serious the situation was, so I had called up all the officials concerned and said that kindly update me on how he's feeling and hopefully he's getting better. Only to learn later on that the situation was quite critical, and that's when I informed all the cabinet colleagues and all the officials that we must rush immediately. And it's a great loss for the state, great loss for the people, especially of Khasi Hills, Jayante Hills, because we had a person in the form of late Dr. Singhorn, who had been working with full commitment and passion for the people of the region and the state as a whole. I express my deepest condolences to the family of late Dr. Singhorn. I pray to Almighty that He may give strength to the family members as well as all His supporters, His party leaders, to bear the huge loss. And I pray to Almighty that His soul may rest in eternal bliss. We have discussed with the Deputy Chief Minister, Parliamentary Affairs. We will be having a meeting tomorrow with the BAC, headed by obviously the respected Speaker of the House, and the decision will be taken tomorrow. But I have communicated from my side to Honorable Deputy CM in charge Parliamentary Affairs that it would be appropriate for the government not to go ahead with the proceedings of the House tomorrow in respect of late Dr. Singhorn. And even though tomorrow is the day we were supposed to present the budget, it would make absolute sense and respect to the departed soul if we were to postpone even the presentation of the budget tomorrow.
meghalayapost.news